Should you send your kids to school with a mask or not? Less than an hour ago, the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services released orders that included continued mask wearing in schools. 13 on your side's Elena Holland takes a look at how schools are reacting to Friday's Supreme Court ruling.
West Michigan schools are largely staying the course. Friday's decision has not changed how they're operating with new health and safety protocols this year. However, it is frustrating.
Well, I look at it as just about chaos. Complete chaos.
Rockford School Superintendent Mike Scheibler says regardless of what the Supreme Court ruled Friday in relation to the governor's executive orders, their current health and safety plan still applies. That includes mask wearing for all students and staff. He says it's a health decision, not a political one, to keep everyone safe.
People are concerned about what authority do school districts have in order to keep students, staff, and the community safe.
Scheibler says he hopes local health departments will take a position on requirements relating to masks and COVID-19 protocols in public spaces.
Students at Godfrey Lee Public Schools will wear face coverings in the classroom, in common areas.
Meanwhile, don't forget to send your kid to school with a mask at Godfrey Lee District. They too are continuing their mask requirements for all students and staff.
We've had 2 students with positive tests and 1 staff, and no transmission of COVID-19 at school. All of those exposures happen outside of school. So we have evidence that suggests that masks are working for us and that our plans are working.
Superintendent Kevin Polston says while he can't speak for other districts, he expects the plans approved by school boards this summer to remain in effect. The district will monitor conditions and await guidance on the impact of the Supreme Court ruling.
Safety is always going to be our primary concern, because if we can't keep our students and staff safe, then they can't learn.
As for Scheibler, he says he knows some people are against wearing masks, but this ruling has not changed their standards of education or safety for the students.
Now the challenge is going to be that there are a group of people, adults, that feel it's not necessary to wear masks. It's an infringement upon their rights or whatever. Well, you know what? My number one concern, besides educating the student, is safety of students. And so therefore, we're going to continue to require wearing of masks.
In Kent County, Elena Holland, 13 on your side.